Good day. Let's tackle about one-to-one function. First, what is a function? A function is a process or a relation that associates each element x of a set x. The domain of the function to a single element y of another set y, possibly the same set. The codomain of the function. Let's define what is one-to-one function. The function f of x is a one-to-one function when each element of its range will be returned by one unique element from its domain. This means that for every value of x, there will be a unique value of y or f of x. One-to-one function example. A one-to-one function is a function of which the answers never repeat. For example, the function f of x equals x plus 1 is a one-to-one function because it produces a different answer for each every input. An easy way to test whether the function is a one-to-one or not is to apply the horizontal line test to its graph. This is the example of one-to-one function. As we can see in the first column, every input produces a different or one output. And to the other side, this is not a one-to-one function because every input does not have one output. How we determine if a function is a one-to-one? An easy way to determine whether a function is a one-to-one function is to use the horizontal line test on the graph of the function. To do this, draw horizontal lines through the graph. If any horizontal line intersects the graph more than once, then the graph does not represent a one-to-one function. This is the graphing a one-to-one function. Graph of a one-to-one function, if f is a one-to-one function, then no 2 points. Therefore, no horizontal line cuts the graph of equation more than once. And that's all. Thank you. I hope you learned about one-to-one function. Thank you.